It may be very weird to some people, but when you're in a predicament, when you're in a bad space, sometimes smiling kind of gets you out of that situation. Hear me out. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one talks just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because we're cool like that. You're part of the Saiyan Nation if you're already subscribed, and if you haven't, subscribe so I could give you this bonks. Come on. There we go. Like that, like that. You gonna drop a like too? You gonna drop a like? Yeah, like that. Bam. Just like that. My dumbass was about to do this. we ain't trying to do all of that. Some people may find it very weird and very odd, but I have a tendency of smiling in the worst case scenarios, and people tend to mistake that for something else. And to that, I don't know, like I try to explain to them that when I smile, especially when something is bad or going very bad or very wrong, smiling helps me get through it. It's kind of like, okay, it's like, let's say I'm in a sparring fight, right? And then all of a sudden, I'm getting my ass kicked. As odd as it may sound, I'm the type of person that would just be smiling. But this smile will be like, you know what? That was a very good technique you just did on me. I'm not gonna lie. You got me good with that one. Best believe I'm gonna come back for your ass. It could be something to the extreme as someone like got hurt or whatever. For some reason, like, yo, it's crazy, but for some reason, whenever you see me at some random point, you just see me smiling. It's the fact that, yo, that shit just helps me get through a lot of stuff. I could be in an argument with someone, a heated debate, and you will see me crack a smile, I guarantee you, at some point, and then you're gonna ask yourself, you think this is a joke? You think that this is funny? Thing is, it's not funny at all. It's just something that I do in order to like get me through whatever it is I'm going through. Will help me get through that shit. Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever seen the anime show, yo, what's that anime show called again? Firehouse? The opening song is called Inferno. How are you telling me I remember the song, but I do not remember the anime? Fire Force. Whoa, damn son, Fire Force, not Firehouse. There is an anime called Fire Force that you should definitely check out. The main protagonist, no lie, has the same thing. He smiles even when he's scared, even when he's sad. The only thing is, when he smiles, he looks kind of creepy. I mean, when I smile, I try to at least kind of like keep it contained, but nah, his smile, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of like, God. Anyways, the point of the matter is, people around him kind of like judged him because the way how he smiled, his whole house was burning down or some building was burning down. And as a kid, he was just smiling. People wanted to know like, yo, is he senile? I kind of resonate with that. People will look at me smiling and then they will say to themselves, are you okay? Are you like, you're not mental, right? If you happen to be one of the smilers that just smiles through anything, continue smiling. And I'll tell you why. That attitude will get you far. All those negativities, all those bad events that's happening to you, you have the power to smile through that. And you have the power to plow through that. And when you're able to plow through that, you will be amazed to see how strong you can become. If you watch My Hero Academia, you watch Dragon Ball, you watch One Piece. I don't really watch One Piece like that, but I know goddamn Luffy's always grinning. Even to like more sinister people like Death Note, like Yagami Light. This guy was like literally going to kill his enemy, his #1 rival, and he did it with a smile. Yeah, bitch, yeah. Look at my hair. It looking like ramen noodles, but it's okay. It's okay. Alright. There is an anime called Firehouse. Fire Force! That was cringy. That was cringy. As long as you're not laughing like Yagami, it should be fine. It should be a-okay.